Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the Visit a City application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the What's Your Destination button. And as you can see, you will find some popular searches. So if you want to explore them, just click on the one that you're interested in the most. But of course, you can always type your own destination. But I will go to Paris, and here you will see everything that is available in connection with Paris. For example, the popular sites or tours and sightseeings, museums, cultural and theme tours, also free attractions. So you can just scroll through these and explore what you're looking for here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.